Hello everyone, or no one if no one ever watches this video. So I'm just going to show you guys a small little, a semi-small Ikea haul that I did. I feel like Ikea is kind of like Target for adults. Like we went in for one thing and we left with all of this. So also one thing, I love the Ikea magazines. I literally collect them. I have so many of them from like back years. I think like the earliest I have is like 2014 or 13. But yeah, I just love collecting them. So I definitely make sure to grab mine because for some reason I didn't get it in the mail this year. So yeah, I'll also be letting you kind of know like prices and things like that, or things that I recommend, or just kind of showing you guys what I got. But anyway, so let's start with the two biggest things I'll show at the end. That way I'll just show you guys like an insert of it. So let's start with one of the biggest things. We got this lovely mirror for my closet. It was only $29.99, and it is the Nisdal, I think it's called. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, so we got that, so I can just move it back now. Okay, next things next. Then we got some curtains. I got this one's for our dining room. They're like a blush pink, and I love them. It's kind of like a white and pink in it, and these ones are 118 inches long, so that is awesome. And they were super affordable. They were only I want to say $24.99. So if you need super long curtains, definitely check IKEA out, because the ones that I have in this room that I'm in right now that are hanging are from what's that place, Bed Bath & Beyond, and those were literally $80, and they're the same length, and I actually like this one's better, so I might get another pair to change them for here as well. And then I got this ones, which are almost the same style, I want to say. Yeah, they're also the Linda, but they only have this color in 98 inches. And I got this one's for the other room where we have our sectional, more like a family room. And I just got 2 packs of the white ones so they can match in both windows. Those were heavy. All right. Sorry if I'm all over the place. I don't want to make this video super long because I feel like I always talk so much in hauls. So I just kind of want to get to the point and show you guys. But we literally only went in for a side table. Sorry, I have like a sticky from something. For a side table, for a coffee table that I'm trying to see if I'm going to put in this room, and also for a curtain pole that is super long. Also curtain poles, buy them at IKEA. They're super affordable. This one's like $6.99, and it is so long. Let me grab it so you guys can see it. It is literally so long, and it was only $6.99. Literally $6.99. So definitely get your current poles at IKEA. Okay, I kind of just placed it there, so I really hope that doesn't fall on top of me as I'm talking, because that would suck. Then my husband grabbed this, which is to mine things in it, if that's how you say it, for like garlic and things like that. I have no idea how much this was. He just put it in the car. And I do have my receipt here, but I don't feel like looking through it. So we'll pile it there as well. Hopefully it doesn't fall. And then I got this. This was $5.99. Super cute. You know, obviously we're going to use it to water the flowers outside, but also if we leave it outside, it will be cute as well. And you can also monogram it. I'll probably just put like a C or close stated with my Cricut machine. So this is super cute. Yeah, that there doesn't seem safe, so I'm gonna put it in the ground. Okay, and then let's get into everything else that I got. So every time I go to IKEA, I get this little kitchen towel racks. They're 79 cents, and they're amazing. And I always get 2, so we'll find the other one down in this bag. Okay. I also got some of this clips because I wasn't sure what curtains we were going to use. I thought we were going to use different curtains, and I was going to use this for it. If we end up not using them, I'll just return them. But yeah, so I got 2 packs of those. And we got 2 of this. They're super cute to like serve for like the holidays or anything like that. And they were super affordable. I don't remember how much, but like literally these are super affordable. And they are kind of like the, what are they called? I can't remember the name of this place, but they're the ones that you can like, they won't shatter if you kind of like throw them in the sink and things like that. So that's why I really like this ones. Potato masher, because we broke ours. And then I got 2 wooden spoons and one of this. They are all natural wood. I think it said on there the word bamboo. Doesn't say on here, but I don't think this is bamboo. I don't know, I'm not sure. but they're not treated or anything like that, so they're really good for you. And I think this were $150 or $199 each, which isn't bad at all. Okay. We got some bolts for the current pole, which is that long one that is going into the dining room, so it can match the one in this room. We be making lots of flatbread, so I got this so that we can cut the flatbread hopefully easier. I don't remember how much this was, but I know they're super affordable, like the colorful ones that they have. Then another towel rack, like I said. I always get two, I don't know why, every time I go. And then I got this salad bowl. It's just glass, but it was only $2.49, which is awesome. I'm telling you, like, if you're moving out or like if you're going to college, IKEA has so many affordable things. And like my husband's always like, oh, like some other things are really cheap, but I feel like if it's like for a temporary fix or you just need it quickly, they're very convenient. Also, like this bowl, like my mom has one and she has had it literally for like 10 years. You just have to be careful with certain things because they are like thinner on the glass. Then I got two of those bowls. I used them to serve my husband like his salad in when we have dinner. I use a smaller bowl and then he gets these bigger ones. So we already had two of this and I just got two more. I think this were like $1.99 or $1.50 each. And I guess we only have 3 more things in here. Well, we have technically 5, but I'll show you the big things. I won't be able to like, lift them up and show you guys. So I got 2 of this. I think this was $3.99 or $4.99 and this one was, yeah, $3.99 and $4.99. They're just measuring cups and they're also glass as well. Juan doesn't think they're gonna last long because they're thin, but I am determined to prove him wrong. And sorry if I don't sound as animated, it's just that my husband is here and I don't want him to hear me talk because I think that's super weird that I'm just talking to myself. So anyways, the other thing I got is just, I think this was like $1.50 or $1.99. I know it was less than $2, but it's just a little brush for the kitchen. So it's super cute. You put the soap on the top and then you kind of scrub the dishes with it. So anyways, now I'm going to show you guys the big things that we got.
We got this glass shelf that like everyone on YouTube has. And then we got this table. Both these pieces will be for the living room area that I'm creating right now.
Anyways, that is everything that we got, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe down below as well because it is free. And since we already hit 100 subscribers, I cannot wait until we hit like a next milestone. So I'm coming up with what my next goal will be, and I definitely want you to be a part of it. So please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, have a great day.